Here I'm just going to mention about how the acids has been prepared and handled in Siddha. So the mild acidic substances, they were called pulippu. Pulippu, how they prepare is like they collect from that, it's a dew that has been collected from the different plants on specific months. Usually, you'll get more dew only on specific durations. Maybe we would say at the beginning of the December to the end of the February. So on those months, they'll keep a cloth on the leaves at night. I mean, maybe say in the evening, and they'll collect the cloth in the morning. So the cloth will be wet with the dew, and they'll collect that particular dew in a separate containers. So if you collect this particular dew from different plants in different months, you'll have different pH on that. And mostly it will be acidic, and some will be highly acidic too. So this is the basic method how they initially collected this acids. So in case of acids, how this has been used in preparation of various medications in some instances, and also in treating diseases in few instances. At present, even at present, this has been in use for preparation of few higher order medicines. So the next form of acid is cyanide. In cyanide, what exactly we do is like we mix some raw materials with a salt. Say it can be a herbal material, or it can even be a earthworm, like a living organism, or it can be purely salt alone. So here what we do is like we take a bowl, we mix this herbal materials or an organic or a living organic material or any other salt alone, and we keep it exposed to the dew. Only during those 3 to 4 months we'll be able to prepare it, and that should be kept in the dew only at night time. That is, at the daytime it should be kept inside the room, and at the night time it should be kept exposed to the dew. So when you keep on doing it, you can clearly see there is a clear change in pH of that. So at the end of some 45 to 50 days, you will get clearly liquid with a low pH. So there are a lot of formulations based on this cyanide, and I have mentioned few of that. So the next one is like how you prepare using the distillation method. Even in distillation method, there are two forms. The one is teenir. Teenir, the other name is called sattinir, which is like, here what we do is like we make a fresh juice out of a plant, or a juice, or maybe you can even this make this thinner from any of the living organisms too, like earthworm. So then you distillate it and you collect the distillant product. You make a fresh juice out of a plant, or a juice, or maybe you can even this make this thinner from any of the living organisms too, like earthworm. So then you distillate it and you collect the distillant product. So that we call it as a thinner. But in case of pugainir or travagam, what exactly we do is like, along with the juice, we add various salts. Here the most commonly used salts are mentioned above: potassium nitrate, aluminum sulfate, and punir. Punir, as I have already told, it has not been chemically characterized till date, because the composition varies from place to place where they collect it. So these three are the basic salt that has been used, but there are few other formulation where they have used apart few salts apart from this also. So they just follow the similar distillation setup. So if they use the liquid as such or the juice extract as such, they call it as thinner, and it will be less acidic. Whereas if they add few more salts to it and make it more acidic, and then we call it as a pugainir or travagam.